Welcome to the 200 interview topic series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started.
Describe a time when you were late. You should say when it was, why you were late, how you felt about being late.
One time I was late was for a job interview that I had scheduled in the morning. I woke up early and left my house with plenty of time to spare, but unfortunately, I encountered a lot of traffic on the way there. As I was driving, I checked the GPS on my phone and saw that I was running behind schedule. I started to feel nervous and anxious, knowing that being late for a job interview was not a good impression to make on my potential employer. I tried my best to take alternate routes and drive faster, but unfortunately, it was not enough to make up for the lost time. When I finally arrived, I was almost 20 minutes late. I felt embarrassed and disappointed in myself for being late. I apologized to the interviewer and tried to explain the situation, but I could tell that the damage had already been done. I felt like I had ruined my chances of getting the job, which made me feel even worse. In the end, I learned that it's always better to leave even earlier than I think I need to when going to important events or appointments. Being late can cause unnecessary stress and make a bad impression on others, so it's important to do everything in my power to arrive on time. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.